Hey ladies, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Mercedes McKenzie, and as y'all read by the title, today I'll be showing y'all how to achieve a quick, easy slick back ponytail. This is like my go-to hairstyle. Like if I want to look chic and real elegant, I'll always do a slick back ponytail, and I'm in love with this body wave. Like guys, this matched my hair color so good. Like it matches really good. It matches my texture good. Guys, being natural, that could take all day. Like literally all day. Oh, this isn't even human hair. Like this is a synthetic ponytail and it literally feels like human hair. It blends perfectly. The color's on point. Like I am in love with this style. It's definitely giving elegant, giving classy. Yeah, I don't want to ramble for too long. If y'all want to see how I achieve this easy slick back ponytail, then keep on watching. My hair is still looking a hot mess. It's in a little messy bun, so we finna tame the beast real quick. I'm going to show y'all the products I'll be using. So I'll be using a bottle of water. It has a little conditioner in there. That's why it isn't clear. So that. To moisturize my hair, I'll be using olive oil. And to slick down my hair, I'll be using three kind of gels. I'll be using the Eco Styler black gel. We're bringing it back. Going a little old school. And this TGIN edge control. Before I get started in the video, I want to give this seller a huge thank you for sending me this ponytail. I'm going to leave all the information in the description box below, so you guys look out for that. Before we get into the video, I want to show y'all the ponytail I'll be using today. Body wave ponytail in the color 4. This hair is so thick and voluminous. Like I love when hair feels really thick. But I want to give a huge thank you to the seller that sent me this ponytail. They are on Amazon, so I'm gonna link all the information in the description box below. So y'all, I have not did anything with my hair since Wednesday. First, I'm gonna be taking this olive oil and moisturizing the hair really quick. And you don't want to get to combing and brushing your hair and it's dry and brittle. Like, no ma'am. And don't mind my underarms if they're a little hairy, y'all. I'm gonna do another wax today. Dampen my hair really quickly. Okay, so now that I got my hair damp, we are going to lay the ponytail. That I got my hair damp, I'm going to part my hair in half. So the first thing I like to do is just detangle the back of my hair correctly, but a ponytail cannot have that sleek effect if it has curls and knots and all that other jazz. So we're gonna we're gonna comb our curls from the ends and up. So now I'm going in with the Eco Styler and I'm taking about this much. It's right here. Take about this much. Take my brush and just brush the hair into the ponytail. All right, so now I'm gonna work on the front, and I want to do a middle part. I want to do a middle part. I'm gonna get my rat tail comb and part right down the middle. Back on my Eco Styler and get some more gel. Now you just want to rub that in and place it on both sides of the hair, including the edges, the front, the back, all that. Get that same brush and lay everything down. Ponytails. You have one in the front and you have one in the back, and I'm just going to turn around so y'all can see like what I'm talking about. Basically what you want to do is take that top ponytail and wrap it together with the second ponytail so that it's seamless. You can't tell when it starts or when it stops. So yeah, now I'm just gonna braid my hair and I'll be right back. Okay, so I put my hair in a bun, so I braided it up and just wrapped it around and put it in a little bun. So now I'm going to put the drawstring ponytail on. This is their 24-inch brown synthetic wig. It is heat resistant, so it can take a little heat. It was really good. And to say that it's synthetic, y'all, it feels like human hair. Like, this is really, really nice. Not to ramble too much, let's put the ponytail on. Let's get into it. Let's just open up the drawstring a little bit. And I like to open it up like that. And then from there, I'm gonna place the comb right on top of where the buns start. And just go like boom. But I'm gonna take the comb at the bottom of the ponytail and stick that at the back of it. And then I'm gonna get my drawstring and pull. Then I'm gonna take the drawstring and wrap it around the ponytail. So they did send me a pack of bobby pins. I'm gonna use that. I'm gonna place that first bobby pin on the side, right here. Take hair from the bottom of the ponytail. I'm gonna take a section about this big. Brush this out because this section is gonna wrap around the ponytail just so that you don't see like the track of the ponytail and the drawstring. Like, we're gonna hide all that using this little section right here. And what you want to do is just wrap that around the ponytail. The bobby pin and bobby pin right here where I'm gonna place that hair so that you can't see the track. I'm gonna put one more right here just so that it doesn't move around and, you know, get out of place. So far, so good. Now, last thing we gotta do is lay these edges, cause girl, like, let's be for real. I'm not gonna lie, I'm bad with the baby hair, so I'm gonna do that off camera and I'll get back to you in a second. Okay guys, so that is it for my slick back ponytail. How do y'all like it? I'm gonna do a 360 just so y'all can see how the back of my hair looks. Y'all, I am in love with this ponytail. It literally took me 20 minutes to achieve this look, and y'all know being natural, especially having 3C 4A curls, like, and to say this was only $17, I look like $1 billion, okay? Like, this ponytail has me looking very chic, very elegant, and that's the look I love going for. Like, I love just looking very just sleek and put together. So yeah, that is it for this video. I hope y'all liked it. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, turn on my post notifications. Oh yeah, guys, don't forget the link to this hair will be in the description box below, so stay tuned for that. Yeah, that is it for this video. I hope y'all enjoyed, and without further ado, I'll see y'all later. Mwah.